embraced by great rivers and mountain ranges. This grand and forceful land in northern China is blessed and protected by them. The Taihong Mountain and the Luliang Mountain, like father, defend the land. The Yellow River and the Fen River, like mother, hug the land. Shanxi, a beloved child of nature. Shanxi, situated at the western range of the Loess Plateau. The province covers an area of 156,000 square kilometers with a total population of 36.8 million. Water, the source of life. Earth, yielding varieties of products. The magnificent land of mountains and rivers. See the cultural footprints of Chinese nation, which has been trekking through depths of history, incessant and intact. Shihodu site, dating back to 1.8 million years ago, records the earliest use of fire by mankind. 4,000-year-old Taosi site demonstrates splendid ancient Chinese culture. Emperor Yao, Shun and Yu established capitals in southern Shanxi, where the name China emerged and lasted for thousands of years. The legend of Emperor Yao and Xuan. The war stories from the Three Kingdoms period to the Wei and Jin dynasty. The beauty and charm of the arts in Tong and Song dynasty, as well as the vicissitudes of Shanxi merchants during the Ming and Qing dynasties. All these not only breed profound and everlasting Shanxi culture, but also forge the characters of its people, which are featured by their loyalty, honesty, and uprightness. On this beautiful land abutment, with historic sites and scenic spots, the history is quite palpable as you can see it, touch it, and even hear it. Shanxi is praised as a museum of ancient Chinese architecture. It is the home of 70% of the country's existing ancient building. There are over 18,000 ancient architectures, among which 452 sites are in the National Key Protection List. Both the quantity and the value of these treasures are second to none in China. Wutai Buddhism Mountain, Yunggong Buddhism Grottos, and Pingyao Ancient City are the three World Cultural Heritage Sites. Shanxi is also reputed as Treasure House of Oriental Arts. It boasts of 54 local traditional operas, 116 intangible national cultural heritage items, and 168 protected sites associated with the heritage. Shanxi is known as the birthplace of the earliest ancestor of Chinese nation. More than 40 family names originated in Shanxi province. The pagoda tree in Shanxi attracts flocks of Chinese people to trace their roots. It witnessed the Great Migration during the Ming Dynasty and became a symbol of cohesive power of Chinese people. Yuncheng City, hometown of the famous General Guan Yu. General Guan Yu of the Three Kingdoms period is worshipped as warlord. The loyalty and uprightness he upholds during his whole life have become valuable spiritual heritage of Chinese civilization. China's commerce started from the salt trade. The earliest Chinese merchants had been doing business beside the Salt Lake at the foot of Zhongtiao Mountain. Back to the Warring States period, Shanxi merchants had been extended their business across China. In a span of 500 years, during the Ming and Qing dynasty, they had been running stores and trading posts across China and Eurasia. Bank drafts connected and transferred the world's wealth and fortune. Shanxi merchants put integrity and credibility at first place in their business practice and brought it into full play. They have been deeply rooted in the minds of Shanxi people. Shanxi, once a major revolutionary base, had produced numerous heroes. During the anti-Japanese war, people of Shanxi, under the leadership of Chinese Communist Party, had demonstrated bold, sacrificing, and indomitable revolutionary heroism. Evidenced by Taihong spirit, Luliang spirit, forged by great mountains and rivers, the revolutionary spirit and nature of Chinese Communist Party member serves as the inexhaustible force for the rise of Shanxi. Connecting north and south, linking west and east, Shanxi enjoys prominent regional advantage. It only takes less than 3 hours from Taiyuan to Beijing by high-speed rail. With rich resource, advanced telecommunication net and media, well-established urban safety and health system, as well as convenient transportation facilities, make Shanxi an ideal place for investment and a fascinating tourism destination. Stepping into Shanxi, you will see the blue sky, clear water, and rich greenery, and even hear the burbling and gurgling of the Fen River. Continued construction of a harmonious and livable land in between the Taihong Mountain and the Yellow River is underway. We are heading for a promising future. We are building a more prosperous land. Shanxi, coming from the history of 5,000 years, is striving for rise and marching toward its dream.